Khubor ki babnia usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong ulaong baka sarkar kan sa ay ka affidavit ne ke jingtho ban pensisha sa ka High Court jong ka Meghalaya da ka ba ay lum ya baro ke jingtho babnia bat ki kot kisla ban penken ria ya ki briu ki ba syang basa ha Harijan Colony na mari ki kendon trekam da ka ba buram ya ki hukum jong ka ying bishar ya kani usimbut Menteri Ulakren Shisngi hadian baka Harijan Panchayat Committee kala kentaj ya ke jing terwa jong ka sarkar ban penken ria no ya ki na ka jakasa da ka ba kala kam bakani kalong ke jingle ka bampat biang pura ka bam yahap bat ka bam shimlap ben krep ha ka ba no shiliang bat ka bam long kat kum ke jing senshar pat ba uba tensong ubalayo pediang ka shithi na ka HPC ka blakan tat ya ka jing terwa men ka sngi tho ding ulaong bakat kum ka shithi ka komiti kamkwa bansyong banyakren halor kani kamat habat jubab ya ke jing keno baka sarkar kampat penbiang ya ki pratali ki mat jing dawa jong ka HPC ulaong bakamlong ka basuk ka sarkar bakan le lut na dong syadong.
As per their demand, I think it is not possible to the government to do it everything. Will not be able to do it. Their demand is what? One is 200 square meter plot of land, and number two, 20 lakhs each unit, which is how can we consider that one? From day one itself, when we had a meeting, I told them very clearly, we'll have a blueprint which is acceptable to both sides, and they get such a wonderful place, such a wonderful location, which is also falls on the European world. Again, from the government, as I said to you, we will ultimately submit our